Again, gummy bear. Gummy bear, gummy bear. And gummy bear. Again, gummy bear. You coming back here, up me.
What's your other gummy bear's name?
Two.
Anna. Are you going to tell him you're Anna? Can you tell your gummy bears you're Anna?
No, I'm What's busy?
You're busy?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm like ice cream.
Hey, Anna. How old are you?
Like ice cream.
You got ice cream. Anna, how old are you?
Mommy, I made you make the ice cream?
Yeah, I'll make an ice cream cone. Can you tell me how old you are?
Two.
You're how old?
No.
You're no.
What's this?
That's a stove. Anna. Hey. Babies. What's your name?
No.
I'll make you an ice cream cone. What's your name?
Anna.
What's your sister's name?
Daya.
What am I? Who am I?
Your mommy.
And who else lives here?
Daddy.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy's gone work. Daddy's at work.
Is he?
Yeah. Daddy's a bye-bye.
Is he? How old are you again?
No.
Are you going to have a birthday soon?
I have okay soon.
What are you going to do at your birthday?
My ball gave me my hat.
You're going to wear a hat? What else?
My father and my father.
Huh?
My father.
What are you going to do at your birthday?
It's my 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes. Anna,
What?
what are you going to eat at your birthday?
What's this?
It's a thing. I don't know. Anna, what are you going to eat at your birthday?
My mommy doesn't go up.
Are you going to eat cake?
I need to take this. Take
Hey,
it.
Anna, I love you.
Love you.
I love you more.
Okay, my district in here.
Hey, Anna. Anna, look at Mommy. I love you.
Love you.
Love you more.
I love you more.
I love you the most.
I love you. Wait. I need my cake.